Hi guys, welcome to Lord A.Wolverine channel, and I am A.Wolverine. Today we're gonna show you how to fix Call of Duty 3 graphical glitch or problem in PCSX2 emulator. Some people might have a problem with Call of Duty 3 when they use hardware mode and they have some glitch problem or graphical issue with Call of Duty 3 in the hardware mode, but in software mode there's no problem, but using too much CPU. There's big CPU usage on software mode for Call of Duty 3 on PCSX2, and one of the reasons Call of Duty 3 on PS2 is really good, of course run better than PS3 emulator. It's really intense on running Call of Duty 3 on PS3 emulator. It's so much heavy, but with this guide or trick, or should I say easy setting, very simple way, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem. First, I'm gonna show you what does that mean. There's a graphical issue or problem. Let's run Call of Duty 3 first on graphical problem. Well, as you see, this is a software mode, there's no graphical problem, and this is hardware mode. For the first, let's go in the game and I'm gonna show you what's happening in a hardware mode when there's a setting exists that will help you to solve the problem. Okay, as you see, this is the hardware mode and there's so much graphical issue and also very low speed. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. If you have this problem, before this you should go on software mode with F9 button on your keyboard. Very simple way to change the hardware mode to software mode. But this is software mode and this is really bad graphic. Okay, really low resolution, and you want to play Call of Duty 3 on really sharp and really high scale resolution, but you can't because there's some problem like this. But how you can fix this problem if you have it? Let's just small this screen. Okay, there's a if you first thing, I have a PCSX2 nightly version, nightly build. You can download it on PCSX2, and as you see, there's 21 FPS. Okay, also video is only 60, 17, something like this. Let's just first thing, I'm gonna show you something. Go to setting and first enable this. Enable per game setting. If you didn't tick this, first tick this, then go to the game. Very important. Okay, if you tick this, go to game. You have to tick that to change the game properties, or if you didn't, you should change the setting for all the game globally. But if you tick that, you should only game properties. And the first thing I'm gonna show you, there's a setting scale rate and escaping. This is what I choose. It's global, and this is fast forward. When I use tab key to fast forward, make it faster, it's 20%. Okay, let's go for the how to fix it. Go to graphic, not on display. First thing I'm gonna show you, there's anti-blur, enable void screen patch, and vsync is on, but this is not important thing. Go rendering. I'm gonna show you something else. Okay, if you can choose it on this place too. Well, it didn't work because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn off this option. Sorry. Go to rendering, and in here, only simple solution to fix this, to turn off this if you enable it. This option will be opened. Hardware fixes and upscale fixes, but if you turn it on or enable it, only make things worse. So you don't need it for this game, but in some game you really need it. Okay, let's just turn off and as you see, graphical problem has been fixed. That's it. It's really simple. Only need to turn off that option to have a good graphic and no graphical issue. As you see, 30 fps and 60 with video. And also I can put it on higher because my system can. Of course, there some people on Google, I searched it, they say you have to run it on DirectX 12 or DirectX 11. There's no needed. You can put it on automatic. Even on Vulkan, you have a okay graphic. There's no graphical issue. As you see, you can just run it on DirectX 12. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's show you. I can put 6 times more graphical. Of course, now doesn't need it. Let's go 5 times. Now it's better. Maybe because it's on forest. As you see, it's very fast. Before that, as you see, let's show you if I put 5 times more upscaling graphic and turn on this. As you see, you can see it's very small and with lots of audio problem too, because the problem. And turn this off, and as you see, run very smooth. I hope this video really helped you. Make sure to subscribe my channel and like and comment if really helpful. Thanks for watching. There's a tank right behind me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.